Hi everyone, Mike Malcherno here at the Youngstown Business Journal. Ohio Governor Mike DeWine's press conference just ended, and so we're going to talk about what he announced during that press conference. The first thing is that in-person voting tomorrow is not going to take place. They said basically that they wanted to do that not only for the safety of the poll workers and the safety of the people there, but they also wanted to do that because many of these people are high risk, because many people who are 65 or older or who have pre-existing conditions are at high risk. They thought it was unfair to ask them to come out to vote. These people are supposed to stay home. That's what all the healthcare professionals are saying. So they didn't want to suppress that portion of the vote, so they are going to cancel in-person voting tomorrow. Instead, what they said they're going to do is extend absentee voting until June 2nd, and on June 2nd, they would hold in-person voting again. So again, absentee ballots have been extended. You can do that through June 2nd, and in-person voting will take place on June 2nd. So no in-person voting tomorrow. What the governor also announced was that all gyms, recreation centers, movie theaters, bowling alleys, water parks, and trampoline parks, indoor trampoline parks, he's going to close those effective close of business today. So starting tomorrow, gyms, rec centers, movie theaters, bowling alleys, water parks, and trampoline parks are going to be closed. For further questions, you can call 833-427-5634. That is the number, the Ohio number. You can also go to www.coronavirus.ohio.gov. Dr. Amy Acton, the director of the Ohio Department of Health, also gave an update. As of today, there are 50 positive cases for coronavirus. We had the first positive case of coronavirus just a week ago, so that's 50 cases as of today. There are a total of, they range in age from ages 14 to 86. 14 of those people have been hospitalized, and the median age of the people is 51. And she said that that shouldn't surprise us because of the lag between the time that you get the virus and that you start showing symptoms. She also said that many of these people started showing symptoms as early as February 7th. So that's evidence, she said, that that community spread is widespread, and that there's they're not able to just determine who got it where based on where they traveled. It has been spreading around for at least since the beginning of February. She also said that we are on the upslope of the curve as far as people who are getting, who are testing positive for the coronavirus. And then she also wanted to stress that anyone 65 or older and anyone with a pre-existing condition such as heart disease, if you are immunocompromised, if you have diabetes, if you even obesity, she said, if it is not essential, you should not be doing it. So again, she advises all of those people stay home. She's also talked about how in the coming days, the state of Ohio is going to be asking restaurants and basically the restaurant industry to donate any personal protective equipment that they have, gloves, masks, to different hospitals, to help deal with the surge of patients that they are expecting. Lieutenant Governor John Husted also wanted to dispel any rumors. He wanted to make sure that people knew that grocery stores, banks, pharmacies will remain open. So if you're hearing that grocery stores are going to close, that is not true. They said basically what they're doing is they want to close down all of these other services to make sure that the essential services can remain open. So again, grocery stores, banks, pharmacies will remain open. If unfortunately you have lost your job because of what is going on, he directed people to unemployment.ohio.gov. He also said that they received 12,000 unemployment applications just last Sunday, so the system is getting, so they're getting a lot of people applying to the system, and he also encouraged people to use the website and not to call so that it did not overload the phone lines. So that is the latest for today. Again, keep checking back to businessjournaldaily.com and to our social media channels for all of the latest. I'm Mike Moliterno. Stay safe.
717 Credit Union. Business services designed to meet your daily needs. Commercial loans, business deposits, merchant and payroll services. 717 Credit Union. It's knowing you were treated right every time.